Let's talk about the Scene credit card. So this card right here, just put this week, is designed for credit building, especially for those with little or no credit history. It is secured, which means you deposit money upfront that becomes your credit limit. Its pros is that it has no credit check to apply. It reports to all three major bureaus, and it has an easy approval with no annual fee. Cons is that it requires a security deposit, usually around $100 to $500. It has no rewards for cashback, and it has a limited credit limit early on. So the final verdict for this is that Scene is a solid starter card if you're trying to build or rebuild credit. It's simple, transparent, and get the job done. But do not expect that perks or high limit right away. So Scene might just be the boost that you need.